In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create financial reports in Xero. This is useful for tracking your business performance, reviewing profit and loss, and making informed financial decisions. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once you're there, log in to your Xero account. After logging in, look at the top navigation menu and click on Reporting. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select All Reports. You'll now see a list of the different financial reports available in Xero. For this tutorial, we'll create a profit and loss report. Scroll through the available reports and click on Profit and Loss. You'll now see your profit and loss report showing your business revenue, costs, and expenses for the selected period. You can adjust the date range to view your financial data by month, quarter, or year. You can also compare different periods to analyze changes in your business performance. Once you're satisfied with the report, you can export it by clicking Export. Xero gives you several options, including exporting the report as a PDF, Excel file, or creating a Google Sheets link. Choose the format you need and save or share the report. And that's it. You've successfully created and exported a financial report in Xero. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.